Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies with a focus on hair health. So if you're ready to reclaim those luscious locks, stick around. Let's explore 10 effective herbs known to help combat hair loss and promote hair health. These herbs can be used in various forms, such as oils, teas, supplements, or topical applications, depending on the specific herb and its available preparations. First up, we have saw palmetto, a true warrior in the fight against hair loss. This powerful herb is often used for its effectiveness in treating hair loss, particularly male and female pattern baldness. By blocking DHT, saw palmetto helps your hair follicles stay healthy and strong, promoting natural hair growth. Next, we have nettle root, a true gift from nature for your hair. This incredible herb is packed with silica and sulfur, two essential minerals for healthy hair growth. Nettle root also has DHT blocking properties, giving saw palmetto a run for its money. Now let's talk about horsetail, another silica superstar. Its high silica content strengthens the hair shaft, making it more resilient to breakage, and promotes healthy blood flow to the scalp. Imagine your hair follicles as tiny plants. Horsetail nourishes and hydrates them to thrive. Let's move on to rosemary, an aromatic herb that's not just for cooking. This culinary delight is also a hair care hero. Rosemary is well known for its ability to stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation and delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. Essentially, it acts as a guardian angel for your hair follicles, keeping them well nourished and thriving. Now, let's talk about peppermint, the refreshing herb that can literally wake up your scalp. You know that cool, tingling sensation you get when you apply peppermint oil? That's the magic of increased circulation at work. Peppermint oil stimulates blood flow and encourages hair growth during the anagen phase. Let's move on to lavender, the queen of calmness and relaxation. Lavender doesn't just help you relax, it can actually help you grow more hair. It's like the ultimate stress buster for your scalp. Ginseng, the root of hair vitality. This incredible herb is packed with ginsenosides, which are believed to be responsible for the beneficial effects on hair. Ginseng promotes hair growth by stimulating blood flow to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to those hungry hair follicles. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a true powerhouse of antioxidants. Amla oil is purported to reduce graying, prevent dandruff, strengthen hair follicles, and increase blood circulation to the scalp. It's like a multitasking miracle for your hair, tackling multiple hair concerns with its potent blend of nutrients and antioxidants. Let's move on to aloe vera, the ultimate soothing agent for your scalp. Aloe vera can calm the scalp and condition hair. It can reduce scalp inflammation and act as a great conditioner for hair. Last but not least, we have green tea, the antioxidant-rich beverage that's not just good for your insides. Applying green tea to the scalp could potentially encourage hair growth and reduce hair loss. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and take care of your hair naturally.